What is the dual form of administration, who introduced it, and what was its impact on Bengal at that time. Okay. After the Battle of Plassey and Buxar, the British East India Company became a very strong political power, friends. After the Battle of Buxar in 1765, under the Allahabad Treaty, Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II handed over the right of revenue collection to the British in Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. This means that the company, which was till now limited to only commercial activities, acquired the right of revenue and civil justice in Bengal, Bihar and Odisha in 1765. Under this, the process of its becoming a regional power in India began. This gave the British the right to collect revenue from these provinces. This meant that now they could collect taxes, which gave them a lot of economic power in India, because now the British no longer had to depend on the Nawabs for administrative expenses. Now the British East India Company could collect taxes directly from farmers and landlords, which gave them huge profits. Okay. The rights of Diwani, that is revenue collection, went to the British, friends, whereas Nijamat, which we also call the right of law and order or administrative power, was still with the Nawabs here. That is the right of justice and law and order, Nijamat, remained with the Nawab of Bengal. But this right remained only a nominal right with the Nawabs, because due to this the Nawab remained only a puppet. The real power, that is revenue collection, was with the British, due to which the British increased their influence further by keeping indirect control over the judiciary. Because due to this system, the Nawab had to depend on the British to run the administration. How would the administration run without revenue? Without revenue, the Nawab of Bengal became powerless. This means that at this time, there were two rules running in Bengal. One was the right of justice and law and order, that is Nijamat, which was with the Nawabs, and on the other hand, Diwani, that is the right to collect revenue, which had gone to the British. Okay. This is called dual system or dual form of administration, friends. In 1765,